Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see I suffer from really bad acne, and today we're going to be trying out another foundation to see if it can cover this situation on my face. You guys don't forget that you are not alone. I'm right there with you suffering with the acne, which is why I'm here to help you guys and show you if any of these foundations can actually cover this situation. So today we're going to be trying out two very hyped up things on YouTube right now. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, or you can get it at Ulta.com, but I got mine in store in person, and oh my gosh, you guys, I went like not that long after they had put it in store. There are 24 shades, I believe, and they were out of so many of the lighter ones, so hopefully this matches me okay. If it's a little too dark, I apologize. We're gonna try it anyway. I've got mine in the color F5, but on the display it said C, so I'm not sure if it's C or F, not too sure, but that's the color that I got here. This is brand new, have not opened it, as you guys can see. Gonna go ahead and take this out here. This is supposed to be a really good full coverage foundation situation. This is a frosted glass bottle with a ginormous doe foot applicator. You guys, look at that. That's insane. Hopefully this matches okay. And then I also got the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour concealer to go with it, and I got mine in the color C1. This might be a little too light. They were out of so many of the different shades there, so let's go ahead and open this up here. And I've tried this before on my own time before I started making beauty videos again. We'll see how this goes. So let's go ahead and see if this stuff can cover my acne. So I have my palette here, but it looks like we won't need that because it's a stick, and you know, we'll do that situation. But it looks like to be a little bit thick, but you guys know I like to do one half of my face with a brush. This is the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush, old school, ride or die right here. So many people on YouTube have used this. I have a code down below, and it is an affiliate link if you guys want to support me. So thank you so much. And then on the other side, I've got the Flower Beauty sponge. I cleaned it several times, but it's still got like foundation on it. So I don't know that situation, but I think each week or every time I make a video, I'm going to try and use a different sponge. And this thing is so squishy, you guys. So this is the Flower Beauty sponge. I got mine at Walmart, and I think you can get this at Ulta as well now. You guys, I just want to say thank you so much for your support on YouTube and everything like that. I've been updating you guys kind of, you know, some different video ideas, but also how I'm doing personally. And if you guys know, I posted recently that my skin was just, my face is still actually hurting. But the acne has gotten really bad, especially like down in this area. It's that time of the month, so maybe that's what the situation is, but it's really painful. So I've gone almost 5 days. I think this will be the 5th day or the 4th day without makeup, just to kind of let my skin breathe a little bit. So let's go ahead and put this on here. This isn't very hygienic, so maybe I will put it on the palette. Let's put it on the palette actually. So here I put it on the palette here. This might be a little too dark, but we'll work with it. So let's go ahead and go in with the Sigma F80. Yeah, this might be a little too dark. It definitely has a bit of a smell to it, that's for sure. So it says Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Makeup Foundation offers lightweight yet buildable coverage in 24, I was right, skin true shades. So it's designed to suit every skin type and tone, oil-free yet creamy and comfortable formula that dries down to a long-lasting demi-matte finish. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and oil-free. So we all know we gotta work, if it dries down pretty quick, we gotta, oh, and I can see it already drying, we gotta work pretty quickly. Make haste, make haste! Alright, here it is on this side of my face. I don't know, I can't really see, but it looks like I need a little bit more kind of in this situation. It's so red and inflamed down on my jawline. which I believe is related to hormonal acne. And like I said, this is a little dark, so we're gonna do a lot of blending down here. But here's what it looks like, you guys. This looks beautiful. This looks amazing. I did actually a pretty decent job of covering this honker right here, but it just looks like skin. It looks really, really healthy to me. Let's go ahead, and I barely used any that I put on my palette here. So let's go ahead and go in with the sponge on the other side. I just went ahead and picked it up. Definitely a lot less coverage for sure. Alright, so here it is on the sponge side. Definitely a lot less coverage. I had to use more foundation, but let's go ahead and see. Up close, this actually looks pretty decent, and like it said, demi matte finish, but it did an amazing job of covering up all of that redness. You guys, this looks amazing. But this is definitely not the right shade for me. I would have to go down to, I think, F.4, and they didn't have that in store at the time. But it's okay. We can always lighten it up with some concealer situation, which we're going to try right now. Normally I do all of that, you know, off camera, but we're going to try this concealer here. And with this, I'm just going to... This probably isn't very sanitary either. I've got this on my finger here. You guys, this looks flawless. Not gonna lie. This is looking pretty bomb. No wonder so many people like this so much. Excuse me. Drink some water for that, but this looks amazing. I'm just gonna kind of fix that situation. I wish this was a little bit darker because I don't want to highlight, obviously highlight those bumps, but I just look so fresh. Is it just me? I look really fresh. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and powder. You guys know that I use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder under my eyes normally, or I've really been digging the Fit Me powder under my eyes, so I use that, and then I set the rest of my face with the CoverGirl Clean Matte powder. So I'll be right back. Alright, so here it is with the powder. I'm doing some little baking situation, so don't mind that, but you guys, this looks flawless. Like, this looks amazing. By the way, what do you guys think of like the background situation? Still trying to mess around with it, but I think the lighting looks a lot better with a background, so let me know what you think. But I wanted to go ahead and also show you guys what I'm going to be using on my eyes. I'm going to be using some other Makeup Revolution stuff. I've got the Soph X situation here. I have both of her eyeshadow palettes actually. So I have her first one and I have her second one here, which I've tried and I absolutely love. And then I also have her highlighting palette situation. But I kind of prefer her second palette, which is this one, over the first one, although, you know, fingerprint situation. But the mirror on this is amazing as well. These are really good eyeshadows. I really enjoy them. But you guys can see the difference between her palettes. One of them has, you know, a sleeve with the names on it, and the other one has the names printed on there. So there are the different palettes. You guys can see. Sorry, the glare is so bad. I'm gonna take the sheet off of this one. But I prefer her second one, which is this one here, but I've used this one a lot too. So there are those eyeshadow palettes. You guys want me also to do more tutorials, and I don't know, I feel like I'm not the best at doing eyeshadow, but let me know what you think about that situation. But I think I'm going to, I don't know what colors to use. This color right here, Lakes, is like calling my name. So maybe I'll stick in like this four corner situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow off of camera. Let me know if you guys want me to do tutorials. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do like eyeshadow tutorials. Let your girl know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow, all my other makeup, you guys know how it is, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I'm back with my makeup done, and this highlight though, I used a little bit of the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, and then while it was damp, I put it on, and on this side it went, little bit crazy. In person it's like BAM! But I used this one right here for my highlight. Let's do a little swatchy. Oh, there we go. So it's not as pink as it looks, you know, in the pan. But here is the makeup situation, you guys. This looks amazing. I got a little too much highlight on my nose, I think. And then on my lips, I have the ColourPop liquid lipstick satin one in Magic Wand. This is old, probably, and I should probably throw it away, but it's fine, it's whatever. The time is currently 11:06, and like I said, I'll go ahead and show you guys how this wears throughout the day. Let me know if you guys like check-ins or if you guys just want me to show you guys at the end of the night. So maybe I'll do some check-ins throughout the day depending on what I'm doing, whatnot, what air. So let's go ahead and see how this foundation wears. Right now the time is currently 2:30, and here is what the makeup looks like. Can't really put the mirror down here. Let's see what we're looking at. I don't know if you guys can tell, but so far so good. This is looking amazing. So I've had this on for 3 hours now, and I think it looks pretty bomb. It's not looking too dark or anything. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah. Y'all, it is 7:30 right now. We still going strong. I mean, it's a little bit like cakey a little bit. I'm breaking out like right here. But so far, we looking good. We back. The time is currently 9:10. So I've had this foundation on for a little over 10 hours, but like 10 hours and 4 minutes to be precise. But you guys, this foundation looks pretty. Bomb.com, not gonna lie. I mean, it's looking a little shiny, but it's holding up really decently well. Right now I'm getting a couple like pustules here, so it is breaking me out just a little bit. But you guys, you all know how oily I am, and this is holding up like so well. It is a little bit too dark for me, but we'll just move past that. But yeah, you guys, this is awesome. This combination is definitely worth trying and picking up. I was a little bit skeptical because so many people really enjoyed it, but I didn't see anybody with like heavy acne like me. So definitely check it out. If you guys are insanely oily, I definitely recommend this because this is holding up so well. Like for 10 hours, I mean, come on now. And this highlight still be popping, like for real. So I'll leave a link to it down below. I got mine at Ulta, like I said. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I have more foundation reviews coming. Do not forget, I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, one of those days at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. yeah, Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I had a moment. Come here. Look who he is here. A special guest. Come here. Look. You guys love. Oh, that's so cute. You guys, your comments were the cutest things in the entire planet. So I don't even know how many likes that video has, but you guys, if you want me to bring him back, you gotta give that video some likes. Give this video a like. Just give it all. Just give a bunch of likes, right? You gotta tell them. Tell them.
Gotta have the likes. We need the likes.
Exactly. You're great. I love it. All right, thanks guys, and have a great day.